Welcome to the enchanting realm of rustic wooden crafting, where creativity meets the warmth of nature. This engaging hobby invites individuals to explore their artistic side while working with one of the most versatile materials, wood. From the moment you pick up a piece of timber, you embark on a journey filled with possibilities, where each knot and grain tells a story waiting to be unveiled. Rustic crafting is not just about creating beautiful items, it's about immersing yourself in the tactile experience of wood, allowing your imagination to flourish as you transform raw materials into cherished pieces of art. Whether you're looking to decorate your home, create meaningful gifts, or simply enjoy a fulfilling pastime, Rustic Wooden Crafting offers a unique blend of creativity and craftsmanship that anyone can embrace. As we wrap up this exploration of rustic wooden crafting, we hope you feel inspired to embark on your own creative journey. Remember, crafting is not just about the end product. It's about the joy of the process, the skills you develop, and the connections you make along the way. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on crafting techniques, tips, and project ideas. Your support means the world to us, and by liking and sharing this video, you help us reach more aspiring crafters just like you. So stay tuned for our upcoming videos, and let's continue to explore the wonderful world of crafting together. Your next artistic adventure awaits. If you enjoyed this journey into rustic wooden crafting, we invite you to stay with us until the end of the video for more insights and inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future updates, as we'll be sharing more tips, techniques, and creative project ideas that will help you hone your skills and unleash your creativity. Your support is invaluable, so please like and share this video with fellow crafting enthusiasts who might find it helpful. By doing so, you contribute to our growing community of makers and help us spread the joy of crafting. Let's continue this adventure together. There's so much more to explore. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and fellow crafters. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you valuable insights and creative ideas. We appreciate you being part of our community. See you in the next video. The beauty of wood, nature's canvas. One of the most captivating features of rustic wooden crafting is the unique character of each piece of wood. Every plank has its own distinct grain, texture, and color, which allows for a vast array of creative possibilities. Beginners can explore different types of wood, from reclaimed barnwood with its history and patina to fresh-cut lumber that offers a clean slate. This diversity encourages experimentation, as each type of wood responds differently to tools and finishes. Embracing the natural imperfections in wood is fundamental to rustic crafting, as these quirks often enhance the overall charm of the final product. Essential tools. Setting up for success. Before diving into crafting, it's crucial for beginners to familiarize themselves with basic woodworking tools. A well-rounded toolkit might include a handsaw, a hammer, sandpaper, wood glue, and measuring tape. Understanding how to safely and effectively use these tools is vital. Beginners should take the time to watch instructional videos or attend local workshops to learn proper techniques. Safety gear, such as goggles and gloves, should also be a priority. This foundational knowledge not only builds confidence, but also lays the groundwork for more complex projects in the future. The art of planning. Blueprints for success. Planning is a critical step in the crafting process that shouldn't be overlooked. Beginners should take the time to sketch their ideas and consider the dimensions of their projects. This planning stage serves as a blueprint, guiding the crafting process and helping to visualize the finished item. It's also a time to select the right type of wood, as different species have varying properties. For instance, soft woods like pine are easier to work with, making them ideal for beginners. This thoughtful approach can prevent common pitfalls and ensure smoother execution. Finishing techniques play a significant role in rustic wooden crafting. While many projects embrace a raw, unfinished look, applying stains, paints, or sealants can enhance the wood's natural grains and protect it from wear. Beginners should experiment with various finishes to see how they transform the wood's appearance. Learning about different application techniques, such as brushing, spraying, or wiping, can add depth to their projects. The choice of finish can also influence the overall aesthetic, allowing crafters to customize their work to fit their personal style. Finding inspiration, nature itself is a rich source of ideas, from the textures and colors of trees to the shapes of natural objects. Additionally, home decor magazines, online platforms like Pinterest, and social media can spark creativity. Joining crafting communities, both online and in person, provides support and motivation. Engaging with fellow crafters allows beginners to share ideas, techniques, and experiences, creating a collaborative environment that enriches the crafting journey. Learning through mistakes, embracing growth. Mistakes are an inevitable part of the learning process in woodworking, and beginners should view them as valuable learning experiences. Each misstep offers insight into the crafting process, whether it's a lesson in precision or an opportunity to find creative solutions. Embracing these challenges with a positive attitude fosters resilience and adaptability. Over time, beginners will find that their skills improve and their confidence grows, leading to more successful and satisfying projects, creating a collaborative environment that enriches the crafting journey. Therapeutic benefits. Beyond the technical aspects, rustic wooden crafting provides numerous emotional and mental health benefits. Engaging in hands-on activities can be incredibly therapeutic, offering a sense of tranquility and focus. The tactile experience of working with wood encourages mindfulness, allowing individuals to immerse themselves in the present moment. This creative outlet can serve as a stress reliever, providing an escape from daily pressures and fostering a greater sense of well-being. Community involvement can significantly enhance the crafting experience for beginners. Many local organizations and craft stores host workshops and classes that provide hands-on training. These gatherings not only offer valuable skills, but also create opportunities for social interaction. Building relationships with other crafters fosters a sense of belonging and encourages collaboration. Sharing experiences and learning from peers can make the crafting journey more enjoyable and fulfilling. As beginners gain confidence, they may want to explore different styles within rustic crafting. The traditional rustic aesthetic is characterized by a raw, natural look, but there are many interpretations that incorporate modern design elements. Crafters can experiment with blending rustic wood with contemporary finishes or integrating mixed media for unique results. This exploration encourages creativity and allows for personal expression, making each crafted item a reflection of the creator's vision. Marketing your creations, sharing the craft. For those interested in turning their hobby into a small business, understanding the basics of marketing crafted items can be beneficial. Many crafters sell their creations at local markets or online platforms, providing an opportunity to share their passion with a broader audience. Learning about effective presentation techniques, pricing strategies, and online marketing can help beginners showcase their work successfully. This venture not only opens avenues for income, but also builds a community of like-minded individuals who appreciate handmade goods. Ultimately, rustic wooden crafting is a journey, not just a destination. Each project, whether it turns out as envisioned or not, contributes to a crafter's growth and skill development. Embracing the creative process allows beginners to enjoy their craft without the pressure of perfection. With each creation, they refine their techniques and deepen their connection to both the materials and the art form itself. This journey fosters a lifelong appreciation for woodworking and the joy it brings. Conclusion: rustic wooden crafting offers a fulfilling and enriching experience for beginners. With an emphasis on creativity, sustainability, and community, it provides an approachable entry point into the world of woodworking. As individuals embark on this journey, they discover not only the joy of creating beautiful objects, but also the therapeutic benefits of working with their hands. Whether crafting for personal enjoyment or exploring entrepreneurial opportunities, the possibilities are endless in the realm of rustic wooden crafts. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found it inspiring and informative. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to our channel for more exciting content. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and fellow crafters. Your support helps us grow and continue to bring you valuable insights and creative ideas. We appreciate you being part of our community. See you in the next video.